In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up contact types in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label your contacts so you can sort, filter, and find the right people faster across your matters and workflows. Start by opening Clio Manage and heading to the left-hand sidebar. Click Contacts to open your contact list. This is your central place for everyone your firm interacts with, and organizing it well will save you time later. Next, decide whether you're adding someone new or updating an existing record. If you're creating a new entry, choose New Person for an individual or New Company for a business entity. If you already have the contact, open it and click Edit. Pick whichever route fits your situation. The tagging process is the same either way. When creating, add only the essential details you need right now. You can always come back and complete the profile once the contact type is set. Now scroll down the contact page until you see the tag section. This field is where you'll establish your contact type. Think of it as a flexible label that Clio uses to help you categorize and retrieve contacts quickly. In the tags field, type the category that best describes this contact. Common examples include client, lead, opposing counsel, witness, vendor, or consultant. This is your contact type. Keep your naming consistent. Use the same capitalization and singular form each time to avoid duplicates. If your firm already uses a standard list, match it. You can apply more than one tag if a contact plays multiple roles, like client and vendor, but choose one that represents their primary relationship whenever possible. Avoid putting any confidential details in tags. Keep them strictly categorical. If you want to go further, you can add additional tags to improve organization. For example, you might include a practice area, location, or status. These extra tags are optional, but they can pay off when you're filtering lists or building reports. The key is to stay consistent so your team can filter by tags with confidence. When you're done, click Save Contact. Your tags are now part of the record, and any new tag you've introduced will be available for reuse on future contacts. From here on, you'll be able to filter your contacts list by these tags, making it effortless to pull up all clients, leads, or any other category you've set. That's it. Your contact types are set up and ready to work for you. Thanks for watching.